that panar there?
Yeah, baby ear though. Baby ear. Go cool in. They have baby ear. And if you little man now come back. Oh, Garrett.
Emmy can't left because Emmy have to go direct mackerel out of the place. Remember she can't. Oh, she gonna know where to go.
You can't bother with dirty thinking about
Right now, them draw. How much shot? Emmy, I take shot. Where you drink?
Yeah, me take shot.
Where you drink? Oh, I left home. Shit, me never ready to do something before 12 o'clock, you know. God.
She got a yard a while ago. Eh? She got a yard. What that mean? The girl? Me don't know.
A smarty mackerel look for fuck she have a sodomite, you know. Be careful, Emmy, when you're in your front or when you're asleep. I want to sodomite, girl. Now in your front, your pussy coffee money. When you reach home, Emmy, put a padlock by your front.
The video where they have when they say you are something for kiss me by my breast.
Alrighty, girl, go. And she that tell the people them say she has Pals news.
She. One video now.
You call 911 fear the Emmy feel the blood suck.
Emmy, let me tell her. Emmy.
You call 911 for your pussy class. This I get out of hand now.
Emmy, she bad man, you know.
You tell you man to go sort out things with her man. You they have cock up a drink, a peg. Where you say them? Pregnant with them, they a drink rum. When it was o'clock at night, I was level 10 of Jamaica now. Every time I black them up here, they come back.
I love you.
Every time I block you come back. I block you again. Dirty girl.
I love you, girl. The time I get late.
So she drunk already. No, sir.
Maka can drink, no, though.
Not a drink, him can't drink.
You can't make this opportunity and leave me.
Watch out, she see man. But the girl did bust up mackerel head for man already half a tree now. The film look sharp, not sharp.
I should have moved and go. I can't have a business. You see, so them not hate each other chat. Wanna see? Oh,
have to go now.
Thinking pussy girl. Every time I see video, I have to stop and watch.
Move your mildew pussy and go. Pussy mildew like clothes in a bucket. But left with one month. Right now, Emmy, I tell you, say your mouth smell like newnie. You know newnie, Emmy. Emmy, do you know what is a newnie? Emmy, I make it get taste of the girl. Oh, boy, I just left for a call on the right.
Emmy. Why would I do this? See, man, it's a Orlando. Mommy have some.
Me have to go.
Anyone say she cost money now? See, money now.
No, because this I get out of hand. You lucky say me not have London number. You hear dirty girl mackerel.
I don't know where money don't take the next flight and come tomorrow. You want to see her? This is Mr. You want to see her?
She's mad.
She's not foreign because she just be right here now. I mean,
yeah,
it would be fun, you know. Because you want to see money, you know.
You see you spit for me and burn me up.
Margaret said she would have touched up your breast.
I walk and spit for you.
Sorry, me never know how to do. Sorry.
Okay, we're in the top part. Emmy.
Yeah?
Before you go home, stop at the gas station by a padlock and clip it by your front. Then again, you take your front with you and sleep.
Me that warm.
Yeah, they're warm. When me know they're warm.
The hotel when me book. One love.
Oh, hotel there. Me take a one bar there.
No. Let's get together.
I bring this other together in your hotel. But you look your teeth out of the TV when I hotel. So you make sure that she will teeth out of everything in our hotel.
Why would I take nothing serious? Why would I
On
take
the
nothing serious?
TV, she go
Yeah,
come
we
out
are
the
the
TV in there. Ah, Jesus, watch out.
Yeah, rumors are going from. No.
Emi serious, you know, Emi book hotel to Ross. Emi gone. Emi book hotel.
Hey, get that off of me.
Dirty girl, she don't know if it account to the hotel.
Before you take back the plane and come back to your yard. Come back to your yard.
Come struggle like you're crazy. The struggle last man, they look for struggle with just so good girl. You come struggle like
Come back
you.
home.
Yes, you me I look me I live nice.
Come home.
Me. Hey, me I gonna go in because them get them outside. That tomorrow man you're gonna see ice pick me up. Cause for them up, me I go about my business. Let me take yourself there. This man.
Inga left way. You know. Also go where left way. You know. Where she gone? You were having fun. See my phone there. She gone left way to Bumbarat class. You miss her? She need to come home. Why? She need to come back home. Why? Track, mister. No. Yo. We don't eat. Where the food there? In our gutter, so good. Girl, when you love so good business, so what make this can go down? So take the camera from me. Or you want to take the camera from me? She put camera on she and she said take it off of me now. Chat, everybody going home. I just be there. Rock. Yes. Yeah, idiot, you know. Boy, yeah. Rumors just spreading to my friend and our man live. Chat, everybody gonna live where we are alone doing and set to blood clots. Who that? Avani? Avani. You miss Vani already, no? Avani. You miss Vani already, girl. Vani gone. You miss Vani already. And Vani just left. No. Yeah. Why no waistline? That's why no waistline. I'm not making line. Why? Mommy can't lie. What to do? You wind your waistline. Let me see. Girl, we can't do better than that. We can't do that. Why not we are trying now? Like we are always, yeah. Roll the man. Me not roll no man. I do. The party not in there. The party are back. Your turn. Yeah, girl. Come on, move. Dance. Boy, my body just big for nothing. there, so can't move. Aye. Go them. So they know why. I do everything. Girl. Wow, I'm going to take some dancing lesson. Who do I? I'm going to take dancing lesson. No. I just said nobody did it. Girl. You have to No. You need to show everybody something. No, sir. You complete. All right. Big body girl, how are you the pan? I joke, me make no know me can't do the things if I joke. Here's when it's fit now. No, it's not funny. It's not funny. We'll stop it. Let me stop it. Tell them to stop it, man. Well, nothing care about that, but it's my blood clot. Blood clot, boy. But it's not rest. It's my first time to spit on me. Bad me? It's like a Ghana ganja song, like it's like a 8-way. 8-way your fuck. You might try to tell me say go. Oh, you might one of the people that might say go ahead your yard. Smell is the macro of a grass topper. Girl what? Grass what? Grass topper. Grass popper. If I saw grasshopper, then grasshopper pretty. Grasshopper shape good. No, you guys should be for real. Macro, stand. No. You stand closer to them. That be for real. Just stand straight. Yeah. Look straight. Yeah. Look ahead. Wanna be for real, man. Be for fucking real. So my camera look good. Wait, I do not turn back way first. You see, Jamie, I want to look so cocky again. The white man, they want the white man? Yeah. Macro sexy, yo. Oh. Yeah, read the boy, they comment that well. I'm a foolish boy, comment they read. See me, when they film comment they read. This is somebody I comment. Him. You know him? No, him follow you. You know me say him say you sexy. Stern commentary chat. Stern. But him say you sexy. Yes. So me not read it. True Stern. Yeah, but that's Stern commentary. Yeah, but me read it. Rumors are spreading. 10 out of 10. You will recommend. All of we can born with the brown complexion. Some of us born with the best shape and the best pum pum. Some of us born with something. Macro, brown don't mean nothing. Brown is nothing. Brown, you know, say brown don't mean pretty. You know, you have some people, right? If them not brown, them don't want them colorist people. Like if you're not brown, me don't want you. I brown them time brown person more attractive. You know, you have some people. Let me tell you, brown people like dark people like brown people. I saw it today. Move your mama, girl. Move your blood, lad. You want to go? In 6 o'clock, it's at 11:23. When I go over there,
So them a put up in places amongst criminals and true faces. Leaders and people who places. The ones who get out of
the we like the ceremony, you know. Nobody know on the bookings, the bookings. Alright? Right, that's so.
Huh? Oh, there's no party. After this, we're going to sleep. After this, we're going to sleep. No. Huh?
Boom Sunday, winning the party. Boom party.
No, all of us are from Africa. Both of us. Yeah. No, we're from Cameroon. No, we just came.
You know what I know. Murder she roll. Murder she roll. Murder she roll. In the top of the car, oh liar. Man, I look at me, it done.
Where do we go?
Which party, sir?
No, we're not going to party. What dash with this one?
Where you just about me? Maka set up every me not set up a combo. Me ask, when I ask anything.
When you talk it, she's a go-getter. Makes you wanna edge up your seat like a thriller. Shoots you with a heart like a stone cold killer. Say you like a savage, gorilla.
You know, go on in? No? Go do it. Go on in, go do it.
I'm not trying to hate you, only trying to warn you. Not to let it hold you.
What do you mean by me I set up macro? Set up my floor. Let me tell you this, we're a big woman, you know. We're a big woman. So, it means you don't get to tell us what to do or what not to do. Because we know what is right for us and we know what is not right for us, okay? Except when we're drunk, which we're not right now. So, we're not drunk. My safety first, I'm very safe, chat. Me there at the hotel, at the poolside. Sit here. Me not go nowhere. I'm very safe. Where me there is very safe. Why you always Yeah, straight yourself and I drag it out and I this and that.
Yeah, like come back.
Like come
back.
in my clothes, you say like come back, girl.
It's bright. We bright now.
We've been bride.
No, we them turn on a lot of more light.
Yeah, but we've been bride.
Like yes, I got lock up and we have to go up. So we have to go up.
We have to do what?
Go up.
We have to do what?
We have to go up.
Wait, that's patois? Or you have a funny tone?
We will go up.
Lord of God. Go up.
Yeah, we never did fit down there so. You understand? We come down here so.
You leave this place like this?
So we can
You
say
leave it like that?
yeah, we can go get two tough.
So we right back out and they sit here just came by, so we should be coming by as well.
So we can never serve one more liquor. You see what I know you say. Him say.
Girl, you drunk?
No, but me tell us him say.
You sure say you're not drunk?
He have a lot of eyes. So we come down here come eat food a while ago and we eat curry goat and white rice. And some old tough in the one side.
What is it?
Say no.
Eh?
We come down here come eat curry goat and curry goat and white rice.
Mm-hmm.
We come down here come eat curry goat and white rice.
Then me no know how to say that.
So say
But me know how to say that.
I don't hear it.
I know that we come here to do.
We come down here.
I know that we come here to do.
We come and we back down.
It's not kum. What is
kum down here?
What is
down here?
kum?
Girl,
What is kum?
Girl, you know understand me a teacher the country. Apart from the patois, the normal regular patois, me a teacher the country patois. Me now
Kum
down
down
there.
here.
Yeah, kum down here.
That sound like banso.
That's how granny used to speak, like deep country, rural area speaking. Kum down here.
Kum down here.
Kum down here.
Kum down here.
Why you have to learn?
I know that.
Kum down here.
Kum down here. Them know that you say?
Kum down here.
Kum down here. Is that what she's saying?
No, good on day.
Budungde. Budungde.
No good on day.
No budungde. Me pussy clad.
I don't understand.
No budungde. Ada ya say?
Yes, after.
Alright.
Bye bye. No kum dong ya.
No kum dong ya.
Imagalang ayad.
Magulong yan yan.
Imagalang ayad.
Magalang yan yan.
Inakumbak.
Nakumbak.
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 Si ma elvere atele nakumbak.
Nakumbak. You know some people do what you do.
They're like over the thing.
You tell me what you do, girl.
I mean, no,
Me pussy blood. Me pussy blood clot. Come here. Come here. Pussy. Me pussy blood clot. The heart. Ah. The heart your girl. You drunk. She drunk.
Me a jog.
You drunk.
Me a jog.
She drunk.
This is try oya and hot.
Me pussy blood clot.
This is try oya hand.
Me pussy blood clot.
This is try
Girl, it swell up.
No, girl.
Oh, yeah.
Let me try. Sometimes I watch a little AI movie them.
AI what?
AI movie them. You never watch them yet? And like, it's like each time them find them woman 5 years or 6 years after.
Wow.
And sometimes when the madam, the mistress,
Can you watch Wally African show?
no, I don't really African. You know watch them.
Can you say madam?
No, you know watch the little AI movie them watch them because they're nice. Each time the man they meet the woman, then right after 5 years are the incidents. The woman them come back. The woman when they need love come back. So when they have one other woman now, every time the other woman I go say the blood gas.
Hey!
You don't know me I talk about though.
We know you talk about. Don't demonstrate, yeah?
And it's like oh she hold my hand. I say you see the man them always that hold the girl the eat. Breed me. So we can
carry cup.
Okay, we have the rum in there.
We can't or we can't?
We can.
Suppose we are go home
Put it in a
Can
bag.
carry it
You know,
home.
say what for
So why you
Jamaica.
tell me so we can't carry it after you don't know where we are going? So how you know so we are going up to the lobby? How you know so we get load up in the lobby? Eh? Eh? Hey girl, move.
Don't want to tour because you know, they already let the girl them go to Maria and see the real thing.
Me no know nothing. Me no know nothing. Stop telling life for me. She's lying.
Take land of something else.
Hey, Lando beats Marina. Lando I go kill for me now. My dear. Oh, pussy clad. I forget to say me on phone. I forget to say me on Lando like.
You don't know where you're talking. You don't know.
Girl, you can pull it up, please. Me and them phone. No. Pull. Yeah.
Come.
No, I'm not saying nothing.
Tell me.
I'm not saying nothing. I'm just saying. Me can't take land thump or something. Hi.
Take land what?
I'm saying me can't take land thump in the mouth now. I pull him, did I pull your legs? Guys, I don't like alcohol. When I drink alcohol, it does something to my legs.
Hello.
Maka, you know, so when I drink alcohol, it does something to my legs.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Hey, Maka. Sit here. My purse is with me, guys.
I don't know what I was talking about.
Why this a bar and not open? Why this a bar and not open? Where you go? Little girl. Little girl. Where you go? My next phone. Yeah, me can call a little girl. I can call anybody little girl. Makra, let's go. Hey. Yeah, she said she'll watch me.
Hello? No, come on.
We never know, so we never know.
Oh, you feel there with 2 man in a bed. Tell them say nothing a go so. Tell them something a go so.
You remix the song?
Oh, you feel tap and the wood dead. Tell them nothing a go so. And I be back a room at one spread. Tell them nothing a go so. On me, every lucky class. Wrong number, you come off. Wrong number.
I eat this girl.
Oh. Ay.
Marco, you afraid of elevator? Ew. Marco is afraid of elevator. Ew. Chimo. Marco, you're afraid of elevator. Anger?
What me I go press?
You know what I mean? Press it up in the back.
What you use? Come go down again. Come go down again.
Where you go? You know what you go?
Come inside. Leave them alone out there to look.
Alright.
Press 7. Bye. They were big woman? They were big woman?
Pour me some.
Pois oh, you must fucking madam.
You know what I mean? Pour me.
Me not have a lot.
Some.
Me not have the lot.
You know, pour me some. Mine finish. I mean, I have no more liquor.
Oh, you feel lie down with 3 man in a bed. Tell them say nothing.
Why are you obsessed with 3 man and 2 man and this and that?
You don't know when we reach 30 my heart have a desire, baby.
Jesus Christ. Maka, you ever do OnlyFans?
And with money they are me, the baby, you don't know, anywhere life takes us at the summer go anywhere will lead me. You know the song, anywhere lead me there.
Don't sing gospel song for this. See your phone a ring.
You know what work? I don't man I can.
Then it's
One,
not my phone, girl. If money I call you, answer your fucking phone.
Hello. Message.
You say? The idiot girl mute the live. I'm here to say let them there so.
Mommy want to kill them. Hey, we are go up a level floor. No, cause you're up there. Look, go up there now. We are up a level floor.
You can't go up a level floor.
Yeah, you have it. Oh, you can't support this.
Me can't let me only from the floor, girl.
Okay.
Me can't go up. Me not go up.
We can't bother right now.
But the dog. Girl, you know, say I was spoiled this elevator.
We should have left them for you. Call them and solve to you.
Yeah. Look, camera there and is it?
Hi, manager. Can you employ me? I'm looking for a security. Open over answer phone. Customer service work.
Mirrors. Come here.
Good night, ladies.
Hello, nice.
You're guest of yours.
Yes, please. Go on. Let me 1 second.
Where Faith there? No Faith no there, yeah? Yeah, bully me for unmute, you know, like me. You want to come bring me down. Yeah, mute you back.
No. The man say.
New, no? New.
Hold on.
Say yes, sir?
You're gonna let this yourself.
Then I'm mute. You feel better now? Eh? What do you
Girl, hold this for me.
Unfold it. Check forward. Where you feel? What is the reason?
Huh? Closer?
Yeah, hear me?
Where am there, girl? Where am there? Him say him there. I'm not seeing. No? Call him back now, girl.
Why you put me in the bangarang?
Your phone him a call.
Stop telling people
Them two you look good together.
a baby can have
Look on them.
Happy anniversary.
Are them anniversary? Oh, you know.
People dress
Them
up.
look good together, you fuck.
What's wedding or anniversary or something now? Happy anniversary.
Then see.
Amazing. Talk to him.
Macracine.
When there? Oh. Hi, bestie.
I will turn off my comment section.
Happy anniversary.
Girl, everybody just at happy anniversary.
Oh, one different one there.
Yeah.
See live.
Turn on. Where them turn on?
Just turn on the.
Come back here, so. Where you
Sav,
going,
me
my
talk to Savannah.
You think me an idiot?
Eh?
You think me an idiot? But know what happened just now.
Me talk to Savannah no?
But where?
Savannah, see Savannah there. Savannah. Savannah, turn on back the comments. Savannah. Savannah, are you here? Savannah look like Shana. Jazz. Ghosty. Ghosty no there neither. Who there? Savannah look like she there. Savannah. Hi, Savannah. Watch real love. You know real love right here, right? Over here full of like a lot of people are coming. Over here full up. Savannah can't bother with me, no, every time I call upon Savannah. So she can't bother with me. Savannah tell me. Me I left you copy I say here.
What the fuck?
Oh, that too get her? Baby, shake your bam bam. Bam bam. Baby, shake your bam bam bam. Bam bam. Do your bam bam. What time? Time for me to take me diverts. If we can't win London, chat and we can't win London. And we can't win London. Well, the girl must say like my favorite color jacket though. You have a favorite color that. You have any favorite color we like that. It's giving cute and girly.
No, actually,
As a man for come out for them woman. What kind of my phone? Hello? Oh. Can that right now? That's I probably not get married right now. No, I'm not ready. Alright, when ready. Happy birthday.
thanks.
Yeah, alright. In white, what you expect?
Likes you, bro.
I know, him one of him woman.
Girl, the woman going in there.
What kind of man is that?
And I'm woman, girl.
I want the purple under.
I want occasion, yes, that's why I see it. You never see the other people with 19?
It look like 90.
The red and the skin.
Me never did that look with vision.
Oh, I just him you like.
Me like, oh, you longer cooperate. That me like. No, we're not ready yet. We are observe the people in event.
Let's go.
When him come up, I say, Merry Christmas. Wait, window.
See me. See me.
No, move too quick.
Him not come over here. So.
Nah, but you
What, me pussy not showing up?
You know what? Why me not tell him if a man no love me like Orlando love Emmy, I
Macra,
don't
shut up.
want him.
Macra, you see him gone and you not tell him happy
Oh
Christmas.
shit, I think him gone.
Tell him to come.
Oh, we tell him man come.
Alright, we'll go this way and go tell him Happy Christmas.
He must have figured you want
Come,
to
make we walk and go like we are
We?
past. Yeah, like we are past. And then you go tell him Happy Christmas.
Mm-mm.
No. Happy, you go tell him Happy something, but not Christmas. It not
Merry
make sense.
Christmas.
You sure?
Yeah, so the man dress up. We tell him happy anniversary, happy new
You tell
year,
boy,
happy new year, processing for the
Yeah,
new
yeah,
year,
yeah.
happy new year.
Yeah. You want to go this way?
Too much people there with him there. If not come back, I'm girlfriend.
I'm not the girl where you did things I'm girlfriend gone. You never see her.
So I want different
You don't
one.
see all of them dressed the same.
I walk to give ceremony.
Me think it's a wedding, you know.
Wedding, and we not go. Wedding,
we never go
people not
eat
married
free
in a-
food,
people
girl.
not married in a night. We'll under gone.
Sister, them a go home.
We'll under gone.
Girl, my pussy I show you so.
We'll under there.
Me don't know where under the girl.
Oh, like the way they done.
Yeah, them a go home.
Oh God, same not disappear power with
Then
all
you know,
this.
see everybody a hug up them one another.
Me
and
miss
go
my
on.
chance of success.
Girl, you know, so we could have go eat free food.
We never know.
We never did have to pay
Remember
for
the
food,
event,
you know.
the event they say we keep in this so. You remember when I said I want to eat the keep?
Yes, I eat, and you say you know business, and you say rich people.
See a love of your life there. Love of your life, you know there you ain't why. What?
Alright, see you.
Come back. Happy New Year, Happy New Year.
No, yeah. Stand up, no.
Just press the button to turn it on.
Happy New Year. The man,
No, sir. He said, thanks.
Then the man,
No, that boy there. You tell him happy anniversary. He said thanks.
Happy New
Happy
Year
birthday,
is a time. Happy New Year. The man was also no man.
You
Share
know,
it
hear him tell you
Happy Valentine. We can't, it's sure we can't say, you don't land even chat. Yeah,
And I
yeah.
tell him say happy birthday.
I landed, yeah. Before I tell the man happy Christmas, Merry Christmas. Wait, him so pass back. Merry Christmas.
Maka, you love the fuck, you know.
Why?
Oh, see, that's the bride.
Bride?
Yeah.
A wedding.
Then you know must know.
Where the bride song? Where the bride
See her
song?
there.
Oh.
Girl, you know some people get married at Jamaica.
Where the bride song?
What you wait for?
Me? Me know what? Nobody don't want me. When you always have to marry to
Don't
Lando.
upset my spirit.
Where the bride gone? The groom? I know the groom. You know what? Guess. You know. Bride and groom and the things them. Pick up people married over them place, yeah. Any of my wedding I keep on them place I'm never that married. Any boy I feel them I keep my wedding on the church, forget it. And any boy not treat me like Orlando treat Emmy, I don't want him. Alright? Yeah. Man for married at them a place, and man for want me like Orlando want Emmy. But don't talk to me, you know, I think me I look up pion, pie. What's up, girl? Go on, your groom and wait and you know. Bride.
You see how everybody dressed?
Mm-hmm. Get the green boots first. Go deep. Eh? Alright. Free? We never get the free food.
Them never doing nothing.
I thought
They are wicked, you know. Them a get married and them not even call people to give them free food.
and do a what? You know people you
And
couldn't
them
even
know
live
say after we
lavish.
eat them free food, we are going to bless them money.
No. I need to say man open the door for you. Share the
Man, no open door for you.
Not really, that's normal in Jamaica, darling.
That normal land open door for me.
That's a London, that's not really
But in there,
normal.
Jamaica.
But him open the door for you. Share the door, she not just one guess.
Hey! Mackerel, you know, see the man open the door for you and then go open the door for himself. No, sir.
And then
How
the
did I keep you, sir?
And then
A prom?
and then the driver different.
Was it prom?
But we tell her that's
We don't have prom at Jamaica.
no, baby, we don't have problem. When they put them graduate, they just graduate and that's that.
Cause I see the bride, you know, she go on in a red car there, Oxblood, Burgundy.
So with the groom there, with the man there, with that tattoo, and if it's a case.
Me wait for your boy if you come back, me you tell him Merry Christmas.
No, this is a true friend. I'm going to say Happy Summer.
Mackerel, you want the boy now?
No, he look young.
Him look young for true,
He
yeah.
look like I'm about 90. Him look young.
Yeah,
Not 90
that's
for G. Let me like man them big. Let me like money when I'm dead.
No one.
Can't take them so young. I forgot how to be a man. But
You say you like them or
when I'm old and so them, they can't tell them when they're so young. I forgot to teach them. I wave them now come back.
Why? So what you want him come back for?
Look, I'm wanting them happy. What a fool.
Girl,
You should have tell the man. Happy Sunday.
Girl, she look good. It's a little girl with the glasses.
They don't empathize me. They don't go eat up a reception, you know, see.
And him now call to give you food.
Look how your heels.
The other man in front did part of the party. The one in front. Oh,
Wait,
my bodyguard.
they've waited till Lando gone. Cause this too much.
My bodyguard.
Yeah, where's that? Eh? No, we have said the bodyguard. Now we have said look for the bodyguard in the part of the wedding. The bodyguard. I eat them, I'm gonna eat no door, Lando. Now I'm looking to see about my friend.
Who's your friend?
Now I say happy independent, happy Labor Day.
Drink what?
Juice.
Them have a cafe. Them say alcohol in a cafe.
Chat say hi to the groom. Say hi to the group. When you come to the group, how you bad man, so? Say hi to the group.
And say hi to the bride.
Hey, say hi to the bride.
No, see you there.
I'm boxing now. True land there, so no, I'm showing my divine. Oh, I'm putting it. The groom and the bride, yeah, congratulations. How would it come? Vanny! I'm here with camera right now.
You know, Vanny.
Come back to your yard.
Jesus Christ, this dirty thinking girl.
Home.
Look at me, mama, people them phone drunk crowd.
We need your hope. Well, I'm the
Vanny, Macra love you now.
Well, I'm the
Come here, where you go?
Oh, she going
No,
home.
come take this.
Shut up.
What
I'm
else?
going home. Shut up.
I come take this.
Where's the groom? The groom got the groom.
Then I'll go back home with Lando.
Lando's here for her.
Vanny, me there.
When you go home back to
Vanny, me
King.
not spend so much
Shut
money.
up. I ask her when
Move
she
your
go-
bumper cloud.
When she go back to
When this
King.
dirty boy, me now come back for that.
I joke. I joke me did that make and shit.
Adaba, you miss her though.
I joke me did that make running. It's just when you go back. Me not want to joke with her again.
Ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Me vision. Me vanny this. No, Vicky. Bumbo clock. No blind.
I see them come from the Macron.
Wait, yeah. She in a something.
I see them come from the Macron. No pussy clad. So she go add Vanny and then go
I
add
see it. I just see the eye.
Oh boy.
Wait, no, come on. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, you never tell him happy birthday, though?
I'm saying happy anniversary.
Yeah, you tell him happy anniversary. You tell him. No, you tell him happy birthday, girl.
Wait. Lando, I call you that you need to figure out. Oh, yeah. Yeah, call her.
I'm not start ball yet.
Lando, wait till you're gone. Lando, don't we go to Jaden party, chef stay, right? So you got to stand.
Sim there, come.
You come? Move a second. Lando, move a second. Lando, happy birthday. Lando, turn on. Move a second. Happy summer. Happy summer. Yes. Happy summer.
Happy Easter.
Flip the camera thing.
No. Put him on.
The money now.
No.
Happy summer, darling.
Happy Christmas.
Okay, Merry Christmas to you, my darling.
Don't show the bumper club man on TikTok. Don't put him on TikTok, girl.
What gonna know him?
It's a graduation prom. You see. I told you.
They look
Yes,
like 19.
and then wait too, and they look like him look young.
No, very young, like 19. Yeah, boy, happy Christmas.
Him young, but him know.
Lando, oh, you for have graduation so in a Jamaica.
I don't understand.
If Jamaica have Jamaica have auditorium. We have prom hotel, Lando?
Yeah,
Prom?
yeah. When I graduate,
Maybe one of them rich people kids.
No, me want go to school and come at prom.
I go up and date and them go to
Yes, you never seen girlfriend in the red.
That was not his girlfriend.
and the bride.
Bride, no, they are.
No, like, how about the prom thing we're calling?
Why? Me say 2 girl and 2 boy dress up and picnic them fear.
All of them dress and match each other like them a couple.
Yeah, something like so. And then but I that me see
Like,
a
oh,
movie.
if you did come now, you'd have dress up with one girl. Like,
Yeah, come here, I have to make you build me date. So you'd have be Lando date and then maybe somebody's date.
What you say?
No, I said prom go, you be Lando date, so you're Lando kind
You are
of.
gonna be Lando date, and me are gonna be
Let me tell you this so good girl, don't play with me. Me nah be ever be Lando
So why
date.
am I parade up and down so?
Because he want to hear happy Christmas again. I think you are idiot. I just want to hear me again. What if you say no? Happy Easter.
I'll go over next one.
Oh.
No. Me can't
Hey,
shit up.
hey, the boy.
Can't bother with bumper clad.
Chat, let me tell you, life is so fun. If we're not outside, I live on a best life. Me, I tell you, it's boring, bro.
Inside,
I know I'm a next one. You can't say them, but them don't have a next
Let me
Easter.
tell you something. You see, the first time when you tell him happy anniversary,
Him say thank
thanks.
you.
Then the next time when you tell him
Happy birthday.
him
He
say
say thank you.
Him say,
Thank you.
Okay. Him first say thank you.
No, wait. When we tell him happy birthday, happy
you first tell him
anniversary,
happy anniversary.
he say thank you. And then
Yeah.
he pass back again.
And he say
happy birthday. He say thank you.
No, him say
No,
thank you.
wait, no. At the third time, we say something to him again. When he said to him the third time, Lando,
Merry Christmas or something like that. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Then he said, Then he said, Happy Christmas or something like that.
You know, say him think say you retarded.
I be like, come back to him again.
Him boy think say you retarded.
Come here and say happy things. Happy this, happy that. When the boy go home tonight, the boy go tell him, tell him happy things. Happy this, happy that.
Our rich people picnic. Look where they must celebrate bomber clad, whatever.
Lando all of them, okay, Michael, go for it. Lando accept some try.
Our rich people picnic, man.
Because see, I said, did you marry today? Wait, him two pass back.
Why am I parrot up and down so?
Because him like, yeah, happy this, happy that. I have no business a parade up and down.
Yeah, problem.
It's just a parade. Happy wife. Somebody say happy life. Somebody say
She's the queen of prom.
she the queen of prom.
I guess so.
So you feel for ask her?
You ask her now?
You're the queen of prom.
Yes, sir.
Oh, congratulations.
You look good.
Yeah, you look cute. Put it, let her dress. Let's see it. Man, tap nice. Cause you have to ask her where she gone. You don't know where they can come so fast. You don't see her nights. We summer when night come. We never see people beautiful so yet.
Where's the king?
Shut
Ask her
up.
who is the king.
We know for sure. When the boy pass, they ask him where's the king. Check a prom keeper, Jamaica prom. Me blood clot.
Dress up.
Prom.
Yeah, look at this girl's dress is nice.
Ooh,
She's giving princess.
It's giving gorgeous.
Yeah.
It's
Then
giving-
look at the other one, it look like curtain.
You wanna pass?
No, that one that's the purple one that's what.
Taffy panty.
Oh, me can't point, sorry. Look, it look like curtains. Look on the one that's she look like old house. Oh, Salvation, you know, see
What
there.
if one?
No,
know,
take. no. Take it, hold it. See it now.
Yes.
You know, see it.
So when you never invite me?
It me and say, and them know, say me there. Me could have host the prom.
Lando, oh, you know what I'm saying? Prom keeper Jamaica. If me never come here, so no. Me would never know some people at prom at Jamaica.
Yeah.
My son, I graduate high school. Come, I come at prom.
No, she look good for true. Why she have a crown too? Ask her my crown.
You dress so lovely.
You look good.
You're so cute.
No.
What?
Everyone wears a crown.
Oh, I love your dress.
Oh, okay. You look nice.
Lord God, them beautiful.
Lord of God, them look like
I'm a friend, they want me to say happy life. No, so I'm a friend, they want me to say happy life. When they
look good.
look rich
Why them
friend.
look good, sir? When I turn the camera upon nobody.
She alone look.
Yeah, tell Macro, the little girl we pass with the boy when you tell him say happy anniversary. Yeah, she look good. One other girl
they look how we see. We are pedophile. We are pedophile. Because what we are saying, we are
He's not a pedophile.
We are.
No.
Because we are saying,
No. Not a blood clot.
Lando.
Them have
Lando.
Girl, no wrong with
happy anniversary. Lando, we think them
are them are 19. You start fuck from your how much?
12.
So. Yeah, but things I'm gonna tell lie,
Lando. Every don't upset me.
You can't stand there.
Lando, don't upset because you there, so I tell you,
I mean, tell you. Me just tell it to them look good together. That's all I said.
But
and then you with your bright self. Happy anniversary.
You don't know today so young. Can I know today celebrate?
Macro, that boy is about 20.
Him about 19, man. Him about
Yeah.
Face eh?
Like him around 18.
Yeah, 18. No.
You know how much you look?
Love a friend.
You know how much you look? 16.
16.
Wow, you look very young. Go and give a kiss with that.
16.
Yeah, go and give a kiss. Yeah, you look young. Lando, where them people have to get them the big vehicle from?
You don't know?
Name that. Happy life. Come.
I know him. Oh, you're the king of
No,
prom?
I know.
Oh, there's a prince?
He chose to be a prince.
Is that the
He
chancellor?
chose to be a prince. Lord Jesus, happy life, prince. Can we come to the palace?
Happy let you.
Oh. Alright, Lando. Lando.
No, but me never know it's a prom of prince.
We think I just one winner.
Yeah.
Why?
So how come him is a prince?
But she do for the prince. Me love. You know, we can't take him up on which friend them car. Nobody
No, sir. No, sir.
People.
You can? Eh?
Yeah, girl.
No,
them
me
not
not.
people like foreigner. Them not.
No,
them
no,
not
no,
regular.
no.
Regular. We could have show them.
Ask him. Where is
Hey.
he? Where is he?
Hey, we love your
Which one?
outfit. It's
Thank
cute.
I don't see him.
He's honey man.
What's the color of his dress? His outfit?
Purple.
Oh.
Okay. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Look
Yeah.
at him. Look like him in a fly away like Spider-Man. Lando. Hee.
See, I proper English man as well.
I don't say Lando. We're going to ask him when we going to come to the palace. Egg and bread eat a palace.
No,
What I eat?
I eat steak.
Snake. Lando. Oh, yeah.
Steak.
Oh, steak. When he pass back. When can I come to the palace to eat
No,
steak?
so them pick me and them a live life like. Make sure I say.
I'm there so eat chicken back and white rice.
Tyler last.
Them look. Girl, me don't want nobody pick. Father come sue me, you know. Me don't have my money. TikTok money can't save me.
Pum pum.
Me nah.
Thank God.
You think everybody want pum pum? You can't stand there.
Hey.
Your pum pum can't save you.
Pum 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 pum. Why? Come let's say my friend me can come here to go and sit down.
Girl, I know every Friday Guys, yeah, macro boy every Friday she have to come over here, come sit down so.
You can just sit down, you know.
Really, yeah, what macro I say, Chad?
Listen, me I say, suppose me find the king and the queen. Me are the king and him are the queen. Me are the queen and him are the king.
Chat, me know say me gifting suspended.
We not. She don't wanna gift.
Me just have fun, Chad.
Yeah. The way Lando girl look like king girl look for the prince.
Me no business. The princess.
Lando come.
Nah, no go and look for him princess.
I don't talk. Come here, fuck me, I talk it up.
Macro say she gonna come every day, come sit down over here so.
Yeah.
Every Friday.
Well, we get
Macro, I know every Friday I prom, you know.
Suppose me can find my husband.
Girl, then you know. Me pussy club, Macro, you want come and picnic party if you find your husband?
And every day picnic party keep. Every day something keep over here though.
Yesterday something did not keep yourself true.
Yes, that's a great place in a girl.
Eh?
They say that great place in a girl.
And you know, so me just go on Expedia and just put it and see it yourself. No, them don't know where it is.
But you have other places though. But yes, so when I create this place, them girl like yes, so when money content today, say yes, so for rich people, girl. Me and London are coming up on a regular day, girl. May I tell her?
Orlando make me waste my something when me pay.
Yes, for business class people, girl. Not for we.
Orlando make me waste my money. Girl, if I saw school it nice, me want to go back to school.
I am a man.
Why me never experience them things here?
Where the front people and dance to put them board on the show?
Ask them if them eat or if them still have food.
Any food left? Yes. Have Vani that?
No. Maka, you love Vani now?
I don't.
Vani turn up her request.
Come.
Alright, you can ask her. She's the queen. Is she the queen down?
She the queen.
Oh, no. No, she had the queen. What you want to ask? Ask me now. Let me ask her.
Are you the queen?
Maka, she answered that already.
She answered that already.
Yeah, she answered that already. Oh, she said she's not the queen. Everybody will.
Hi.
Hello.
Come, girl. Oh, they look at that. We're famous.
Wait. You are going to bust up my face with your fingernails. Me say you are going to bust up my face. Girl, me say you are going to bust up my face with your nails.
Man, what a picture with we. Well undergone.
Me don't know, girl. Girl, you know see she have somebody a whole address for her.
The Bummer Club. I will never get any treatment and come famous a long time.
What me pussy not show, you know? Car boy.
My boyfriend gone.
Which school was graduating today?
It's not graduating, it's prom.
Yeah, which school was it? Arden. Okay.
So I'm not a good friend.
No, that's Anna, darling.
Arden. Chat them say Arden. Arden.
But if picking a pass for that, they don't.
Yeah. What that mean? A bright picnic them go there.
Big up the nice lady here, cute and girly. Yeah.
Oh, Macra, see the prom king. See the prom king, Macra.
Oh, you're the
Thank you.
queen.
You're so pretty. Your dress, I love your dress. No, she just said you're so pretty.
No, Jesus.
Her dress is nice. Yeah. I want to go back to school.
This too cute.
Macra, you never see the queen already. Glad I got your brain. I do something for you. See the queen, see the king, king. No, me not show nobody. Me don't want nobody come soon, girl. See the king, high king of prom.
When can I come to the palace?
Lord of God.
In the palace?
Congratulations.
I'm the head of security.
Jesus, mute your life.
You were warned inside about going live a while ago. I'm sure about that.
You see me with a life?
You need to see some this is right now.
You see me with a life? Why am I name you call?
Me not understand this with truth.
I will undergone.
See him there.
Don't come here.
No, don't involve Lando, cause Lando can't manage pressure, you know.
Achoo. No matter.
Me can't understand. Me have my
have a
phone
phone
literally on my face. Like nobody now see nothing.
I'm not truly good as a show the girl just you never if I know
And
she not
you
do
see that?
And then my name more come call about mackerel. Don't call my name.
It's public, but I'm not showing anybody, Yolanda. You know, understand?
No, we're not public at the time they can't show nobody.
Yeah, me not
But
show
she have
nobody.
her phone pan her.
Me have my phone
so why
pan
ma
me
make
car.
a call? Why ma make a call and then why ma call my name? You don't need to make no call. The girl have her phone pan her. And I just
Literally, me know say you can't over yourself show people on your life and this and that. That's why I mean, even when you want to show the people, I mean,
him will call my name and don't just security just tell about how your car in a video. The girl in a video, the girl have a life on her. Him.
I don't know how I'm going to get this.
I mean, and in the same we no phone a call long time. Give back him your phone. Yeah. And some people have problems.
man, you tell me say on a video call.
Yes, the girl could have on a video call, of course.
Suppose I watch the live. Oh, but if me can't have my phone on live on my face, so that means me can't have on video call then.
Oh, go up. Let me see if I put you tonight.
Put who out?
That's a call. Go up. Let me see if I go up tonight. You have your phone on you, and like you have your phone on nobody here. So why am I trying to create a problem?
You try to create a problem?
That's what you're doing, because why am my name a call?
I'm trying to create a
Why
problem.
why did you call my name?
Hold on. I'm trying to create a problem.
Alright, answer what I'm asking you. Why did you call my
Who have the
name?
phone in them hand?
How long I gave her back her
Who have the
phone?
phone in them hand?
She had the phone and approached me. She had it. She had no, but you're trying to create a problem. You see, Owen can't answer my question a while ago. She had the phone, so why you call my name? Mackerel. You know let me give her my phone?
You're rough. No, I'm not mute.
I'm a veteran, so Landa can't under pressure. Emmy can't under pressure. No,
Landa can't under pressure.
Oh, because when you come here, so you not even say, "I good night," I rate it, blah blah mackerel. The ticket never tell us you can't have your phone. I know the girl not even turn on her camera. Yes, exactly. She can use her phone.
No, but the thing is, right? That's the thing. And also, what the man did explain to me, right? The man in there, so him say you can't have the phone a show like the public space.
Okay.
And me say, okay,
exactly.
So right now, my phone they literally for me. Nobody no show up on the live. Me no show nobody on the live. So me no know.
Okay, nobody.
So me can't sit down on my phone like this. So if it's a video call, me can't do a video call.
Make the call.
So me can't do on a video call. So. Cause literally me no show nobody no. Me no want put no rich kid for me blood clot life and them father come sue me. Yeah, you crazy? Yeah. That's why my mackerel me said nope.
That's all I can say. No show nobody.
Yeah, me no show nobody. No, me no want nobody sue me, girl. Me no have the money. TikTok money can't save me. Yeah, remember said some people take them things that serious.
No, but I know that you see, if you did show it, you know, it was one. When you never show it, that is two. So with the wall,
no problem.
Exactly. She not a problem. The camera upon me and her all long. And when it is start up right there, so I just try we camera upon right there, so.
Yeah, for kill it, sure.
What you want me call?
Them not no food in there.
Darling,
you want to go for food?
If you want to go to the coffee place, come no. Can you go to room tonight?
Go PV.
Where? What?
Where you can come in,
no, you can go in. They have a 247 cafe there.
24/7. Where me 247?
Mackerel, same thing. 247. Eh?
You want to have a PV?
Who? They have pay than all inclusive. Oh, everyone pay inclusive. No,
this is not an all inclusive. Wait, what's an all inclusive by the way?
Like when I get everything free.
Like what?
Breakfast, lunch, you can go at the bar. All inclusive are like Rio.
No, lunch is not free, only breakfast.
Right, because it's a remember say it's a business place, a business kind of place now. The one in my town, I know like you know the one in my town too, a kind of business. So the one out Rio and Moon Palace, yeah, them they are all inclusive. Alright, go for your bag,
No, I don't know them have this one.
We have to go find a restaurant. Everybody's not me talk. You see, all the call he make, they can't do nothing to it. Because we never do nothing wrong. You see, know some people like problem and do trouble and set like rain, you know. Trouble not sit like when I just step back our phone for say this too no. Trouble not sit like when I say people love
Let me tell
problem.
you something. You see, yesterday, like, me never have my phone for me, right? You know when you're like, when you have your emotions all over the place, girl, me come out and me a ball, like me literally a ball and I walk all over the place because me never didn't know what to do. And him sit down there saying,
Him same one?
Him same one. Him don't give a fuck. And then him fight one man and the man a tell him say, oh, your days soon come. And
Oh, same just life problem then.
me don't know.
After that.
But yesterday, me witnessed that.
No, but if me and Emmy sit around just a chat, you go come. Emmy have her phone now, and she can on a video call, anything. You go say, oh, Mackerel, they take care to tell you that you can't do it.
And then let me tell you what him do. Like you see somebody, you know, so this person is in distress because you see them a ball and this and that.
I have to ask the person, oh, are you, why you crying?
You know the only thing him tell me? When me did go sit down over somewhere there, so him say you can't sit down there.
Oh,
you have to leave from there. So
some of them love go and say people them work, I feed them. You want to see how I go the man and make peer calls and the things them and don't worry yourself. I'm turn to him and say to him say he like problem, like he want come argue with me. But let me tell you this chat. Me is a wrong somebody. Me is a wrong somebody for people play with a road, yeah? Come here, girl, me not really play. If so me give back our phone, me give back my phone a long time, because me glad that me can't see with the phone. Because me tell you, this me give a boy give me 5%, me give a boy back 10%, no matter what kind of job you do. You're not gonna make me have my right and feel like I can contact with my right family no matter what you do. They love problems. When they have them problems in their yard, I want to take it out for a week. I look how we song right, we just have fun, we laugh. People just like to break fun. People don't like the happiness. Emi have her phone and my name I choose for call. That makes sense? Emi not have her phone for nobody. And all the secret to tell about don't go in live when the man said to Emi said only thing I can do is just video the surrounding.
yeah,
Him never tell her that she can't do live.
Him say if more video the surround like do certain things, me have to take permission from the rest from the
Exactly. I never did.
I mean, I say, but how is that? That's a promotion for you, and him say, yeah, him understand that, but certain things, them have a team will control certain things like that.
And we understand that. So what you do, you keep your life right, it's up by yourself.
Yeah.
So why you need
and
to
that,
come talk?
So me take it off for the tripod.
Okay, and so why him need to come talk? I should make him need furlong it more and more. I made a disgrace them out here.
No, sir,
him too enough. Thump who?
Remember say you know.
Him can't put you out on your pay. Your money couldn't say, you know. Him is just a security. Without a job, you can't get paid, you know. All what your phone, yeah?
But me don't know why I'm going so. From yesterday.
You not even say good night. You not even say good night, Emmy, whatever, no. I'm going to choose to come call. You see with the phone? You can't stop your price on phone. Oh, I call my phone. Nobody call on my phone now.
Uno can't say with it loud because there's a whole event over here. Everybody loud.
The loudness, the man never have no problem with the loudness. And
yeah,
the man have a problem with the camera.
We never did indoors and loud and
exactly. We sit on out just with the parking lot there, and people can't stop people from talk.
This is a parking lot,
people
and there was a whole event here, so everybody did everybody did a talk. So make no sense. Very disrespectful, man. Yesterday me noticed him, girl. Yesterday me noticed him. Last night, me say when me dey for my lowest, and me dey saw a ball and this and that, and the man I go tell me say, you cannot sit there. That's so it's prohibited. Me say what?
Jamaican people, they love going and say people.
You know what me do? Let me tell you. At times that me don't even look on him. Me just sit down there so, and when me time reach,
so it's a big problem.
Yeah, it never do nothing.
People, girl. They see people, they love going like say people, company, I feel them more.
See, let me tell Latina, mina. You see, this is the thing in Macro. You can take your hard-earned money and start a business, and the people where you employ, then bring down your business.
Then bring the car. No, we don't do. We do so. We don't even cause nobody for what I say. I notice.
No.
We don't even talk. We don't. Yeah, we just over here have fun.
I compliment the picnic them.
I compliment the picnic them. And something good that we do, but then feel good in themselves. And yeah, ask, which school is that? Then say, then rate, blah, blah, blah. The frig. Look at that, you have to go back over this. So.
That's why I'm not come back, girl.
That's why I say no more to it.
Yeah.
Of course, a 2 call we see, because not 2 call and go through. Nobody bully me in my country. That bad girl.
Oh God. Macro video the 2 boy. No? Oh, when Macro did one video the 2 boy, them back alone. Wanna see them
Darling,
face?
wanna see them face?
Wanna see them face? Me take the phone from Macro when me notice that she did.
We're not gonna
me
say
take
2 boy then?
It's just them back.
We're not gonna know that?
Uno not gonna know it's who.
We're not doing that video, but we just have video them suits. We are saying the one they look good and the one.
And I take the phone and flip back the camera fast.
And that's a long after, darling. That's a long after.
And you know, him don't even know say something like that happen, you know. I just
when if you watch, then I watch. Like got it from don't quit, man.
That me I say more want to pick them for your pass up and down, girl.
Boy, I know what they like blue. When think I share queen and I like blue.
Girl, let me tell you something.
You never know say them tradition.
You see the boy where you did that tell him happy anniversary, him deserve the prom king.
Can't indecent.
No, not decent. Like I don't know how prom something going on. Me the thing say it's who look the best, get it.
Yeah, but
like who dress the best and this and that and that. Me the thing say.
When you Jamaica have prom, that's how people like when they pick a traditional high school.
You see the girl with the purple dress where we asked her if she had the prom queen. She looked like she could have get it too. She like the prom queen. She could have get it. Yeah, see me.
See me. What happening phone?
You can't do it this time.
Happy birthday! I can't do it.
Yo, that pick me the tired of you, you know. Him say you can't do it this time. I'm tired of you.
And he look decent, you know, like his clothes come from Shein, though they look nice.
Boy, Macra, that no look like he come from Shein.
You look like Shein?
No, none of them. None of them. None of them no look like them suit come from Shein. None, literally none.
That's why, check my marks you something. That's why people like when they got traditional high school, cause traditional high school keep promoting them something they do.
Oh, that's a traditional high school?
Yeah, I want top school, top, like a rich people.
I'm sure it's very expensive.
Like if I have 90 at average.
Oh, you have to be intelligent to go there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's nice. Hold on, wait, let me understand something. So the intelligent children have a particular school they go to. The dunce children have a particular school they go to.
I would say I have traditional and non-traditional. So like, you have Campion, Arden, Merle Grove, Immaculate, St. Andrews, St. Wolmer's. School like them, they are top school in Jamaica. In Kingston, we are talking about Kingston. Top school, let's say, if you pick the parts for them, the school there are good grades. You have other school like Camperdown. And them local school, they are non-traditional. So like all holy child with a traditional. Right, yeah.
Like all foreign them have schools we qualify for GPA.
Yeah. Yeah. So you have school, you have certain, you have sometimes, you know, the computer plays away to one place, you know, don't get me wrong, you know. Because sometimes you put too much top school in the computer, we kick you out, you know, when they mark the grades, them. At grade 6, out here, they call it primary, and then they move to high school. So when on the primary, then secondary, then high school, like America. They move from primary then to high school.
Directly?
Then from high school, them no kind of skill them want do.
Oh, like professional university.
Right. So you have school like Meadowbrook, Arden, Campion. Where else you have Woolman, St. Andrew. Some took a top school, darling. Rich people pick the school, darling. They thought too hard the father find they have two, yeah. Land gone long man at Safari Park.
This place busy though.
Good is a top place. It's which one they can keep prom.
Yo, me shame for that boy there.
Security.
Me shame for him.
Darling, Nancy, you see, your name says everything here. That me make it wrong.
Yo, you see, God knows why He doesn't give certain people power, because if they had it, they would abuse it.
Abuse it.
Certain people, if them have power, them would abuse it.
Then I will fall in park.
And then no decency, like no form of respect. You literally are work for we, you know.
Of course, you have
yeah.
to protect we.
Yeah.
And you are secure the people and pay them money. Imagine.
And you're rude.
If I say chatty man drip me a while ago, you know, I'm afraid I think I something bad I do.
And you know the funny thing? All when you chat to him, I try calm him down and I say,
Him still a real
yeah,
one.
I'm going to make call. After me, I try calm him down and I say, oh,
Make it look like, oh, him is a security, he can do it. Even this a man, I see. I see one other security pass for yes, I don't say nothing. One other one, you never know the jacket, I know. I don't say nothing.
I only put him there.
Okay. So
Yesterday,
why you know? Prove your points.
now him feel like him what him say? Me had the something security hires something like that. Like him had the chief security or something like
No
that.
chief nothing. Boy a card, boy a make phone call. Shame me.
Somebody said that guy hates me.
Yeah, I feel it. See him, watch him chat, watch him. Maybe I just have to be and I leave because you tell me my mom bad now.
I don't land that.
When they you tell me my mom don't only bad on the internet, you know. No defend my people in real life, brother. My mom only bad on the internet. Man make 2 phone calls and fail him. I force me see this. I force me see you work somewhere and the phone call and fail you. One like kuna things. You can't just go like kuna chuna security no feel like kuna. I mean they.
That very good.
They not no powers. Maybe if one security guard, no, I can't tell you it's not. If I tell security guard, them not no powers. Not a power they not have. Them is to secure the cars. Make sure the cars them park properly.
I literally understand when they say, oh, you should not video
Yeah, because some people want them privacy like me. I love my privacy.
Move your black car, boy.
Happy birthday.
No, I'm saying, Miss Me. Alright, you
But
see,
at
for
your time-
instance, imagine you did it, so and you know what, nobody knows that you did it.
Yeah.
Oh, suppose you get a woman born and you did it with one next.
Well, and that because
one
everybody
woman.
like me, dear girl.
Yeah.
We understand. See, and everybody like
So
me.
when
then.
him did explain to me, say, oh, really, me say, alright, no worries.
Girl, you know what me eat? Yet about that, me eat when me see the teacher them on TikTok and put the camera up and the little picture them and then sit them me eat too. So me understand where the man did come
Yeah.
from. Some certain parents would not want to be a mother. Would not want to be a mother. And me there my yard.
Oh.
I'm Ziggy. I'm there my yard. I never put penny on social media and just for see a teacher I put on social media.
Yeah.
So me, there are some people that use social media. I do a video, I do go put them on it, and they literally don't use it. Public spaces are not. People not for video in a public space.
Oh, good, she look.
Address nice.
Oh well, I'm not gone.
She yes. Sir.
Is she a prom girl?
No. But she look
I feel she, darling.
She look like the prom queen, don't?
Hey, yes, yes, she last come. I will make this just a beautiful so. He walks.
Hey, are you the prom queen?
She look nice.
We like your dress. It's cute.
You're welcome.
Congrats.
So what stopped her from being?
I don't know, like, I mean,
Because I was nominated for like the best dressed person, but somebody else got it.
Oh,
Then I just didn't go for the prom queen at all because
Oh.
I didn't want to be cheating.
she's kind of like a hit.
When you get successful,
sounds
you should wear
shy.
that just for your wedding, okay? Don't give it
very
away.
nice,
It
for
looks
real.
very nice. I like it.
it looks nice. You're welcome.
You're welcome and congratulations again, darling.
You too.
too.
She look
Why nice? Oh, me never get this treatment. Then my mother eat to it. I told me, man, this is make too much nice. You know,
Mr. Michael push me to my mouth and lick my blood clot teeth.
but it's nice.
No, she
Why?
look nice. Her dress
It's
is
great. It's
like
just
her dress
simple.
is screaming. Prom queen.
You know this in a have holy pa.
Yeah,
Blah 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 blah
yeah.
blah blah blah. It just
Nice.
long. Why?
And then she calm.
she pretty too.
She's just calm.
Didn't say them a traditional high school or galang.
As nominated.
Net darling, remember say rich people pitney, you know.
Yeah.
Then talk good. Rich people pitney talk properly, you know, darling.
Yeah, them no sound ghetto like you.
Bugu pitney, Bugu Yaga pitney garden.
What is Bugu?
Bugu Yaga.
What is Bugu Yaga?
Ghetto people pitney garden in the school. You can never find a ghetto people pitney in the school, darling.
Girl, you can't say that. Let me tell you this. Me did go on top school and me is a ghetto picnic.
Darling.
No, everybody else could think
Yeah,
you come from a rich home.
Your culture different from our culture. God bless you. Say 1 and 2 ghetto people pitney at them the school there. But it remember I said the majority for us
Remember,
is the
some
minority.
ghetto parents now them want them picnic have the best education.
Yes. So that's why I said the majority of the pitney there. Darling, we got at the school when you're hiding high. Ah, no, duba kaka.
I like Spice picnic them, karate.
No, darling, Spice pitney got immaculate.
Immaculate is a higher one.
Higher one, darling.
Love.
Baby. Lord.
Love.
Are you where for the no come? Take up your makeup.
Try bye-bye.
We can't come here now, though.
You sober now?
Lando come to concrete.
No, let me tell you something. Macra, when she's drinking, she gets high. And then it's like with time, yeah, she's sober back. You can literally tell say she high.
Come now.
Yeah, you can literally tell say she high. And then she go sober back.
But me as the Lando come now, we can go home.
Bye, church.
Plastic Town.
It is wrong.
Building.
Alright, I guess this is gonna be the new front.
Mountain.
Apparently. That's fucking awesome.
What? And that email. Baker. Building.